Do you know there is an app that can pay you up to 1 million naira just by referring your friends, family, or just by sharing you referral links to all social media platform or forums? This app is free and have been paying people since its establishment. It require no survey, no Captcha, no offer, no sales. All you need is to sign up and start sharing your unique referral links to others. I started using this app a week ago and I have earned more than 30,000 naira just by referring people. It pays directly to your bank account. It is an online money-making platform that pays 1,000 naira per referral. It helps you achieve financial freedom. If you are able to refer 50 people per week, you'll be earning 50,000 naira weekly, and that is 200,000 naira every month. Isn't that great? The more persons you invite, the more money in your bank account daily. In this video, I will show each step how to set up your account and your unique referral link. And I will also show you a platform where you can drive a traffic to your referral link if you stay till the end of this video. I earned over 30,000 naira on this platform just by sharing my unique referral link. You can do the same. Before we start, do subscribe and join our community. I know some people already knew about this free app, but most don't know they can earn over 30,000 naira through this app, or they don't know the platform to drive traffic to their referral link, and some don't know which step to take to become valid users to receive their referral earnings. So, stick with me. I will show you step by step to earn your first referral earnings. The free app name is Piggy Vest. To download, go to Play Store. Search Piggy Vest. Piggy Vest is one of the saving and investment platforms that give you the ability to manage and grow your finance. The platform allows you to control your money effectively and efficiently. One of the good things about Piggy Vest is the ability to earn money while you save. I know some of you might have heard of this app before, but I can bet you don't know you can earn more money on this app, or you don't know where to drive traffic to your referral links. So, watch till end for better understanding. Install and open. Sign up your details. Email address. Your full name. Your password. Your referrer code. Fill in other details. I already had account. So, I will just log in my details to show you guys your referral link. This is my dashboard. To see your referral link, click my account button. Scroll down to see refer and earn 1,000 naira. Click and a new page will come up displaying your refer link. This is your referral link. If you refer someone to Piggy Vest, you will earn 1,000 naira commission as a reward for your referral. And the only way you can earn commission is when the people you are referring use your referral link or referral code to sign up on Piggy Vest. You and the person you have referred each earn 1,000 naira, which is paid into your safe lock. This matures to your Flex account after 10 days once the referred user is marked valid. As a new user, your bonus will be paid into your safe lock and matures to your Flex account 10 days after you have been marked valid. However, you and the person you have referred can only earn your bonus referral earning of 1,000 naira when both of you become valid users. To be considered valid, a new user must link their BVN and fund their Flex Naira wallet with at least 100 naira via a direct bank transfer to their Flex account number. Fund any other two wallets with at least 1,000 naira each. This could be Piggy Bank, SafeLock, or Target Savings Wallet. Piggy Vest referral bonus is very juicy. 1,000 naira per each person referred is really a good deal. One more good thing about this program is that the person you referred also get 1,000 naira too. Isn't that awesome? Remember, there are no limits in the income potential you earnings in Piggy Vest referral program. To drive huge traffic to your referral links, Go to your Facebook page. Click on the search bar. Type "Make Money Online." You will see a lot of groups with thousands of followers. Join and post your links on the page. Keep doing that daily. I bet you will be amazed at the referrals you gathered at the end of the week. I hope you gain value out of this video. Please do subscribe and like this video. More amazing content uploading soon. Don't miss out, subscribe and get your hands on the latest trends before others. Thanks for watching.